If you master the wealth equation that I will tell you right now, you will become the richest man that your bloodline has ever seen. This equation is better than any math equation you've been taught in school. And the equation is value times scale equals money. Value is what you provide for people. And scale is the amount of people that can access your value. So how can you apply this equation to real life to get real results? Let's take a doctor for example. The value that a doctor offers is extremely high because he literally saves lives. But the job of a doctor lacks the other element of the equation, which is scale. A doctor can only see 10 to 20 patients a day, which is a small number. And that's why you don't see a doctor with a Lambo. And now let's take an average underage girl who shakes her ass on TikTok so that pedophiles can watch her content and follow her. Her value isn't high because all she does is making some pedophiles get hard by shaking her ass. But at least she got the scale element right. And that's why the average TikTok girl makes around 100k to 200k a year. The doctor who spent years studying and years working just to get to a 100k yearly salary. An underage girl can make that amount of money easily by shaking her ass on TikTok to pedophiles. And that's because she got the scale element, but a doctor doesn't. And this isn't to say that the scale element is all that matters. The value you provide for other people is extremely important too. Let's look at Andrew Tate. He's the perfect example of someone who has both high value and high scale. And that's why he became extremely wealthy. In the next video, I will explain to you how you can increase the value which you provide for other people. And how you can scale to the moon. And lastly, subscribe to both of my YouTube channel and my Rumble channel. Just in case that YouTube deletes me for mentioning the top G.